welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Yesy. Welcome. So today's video is going to be a Valentine's Day inspired makeup look for any of you guys that are going out this week for Valentine's Day. It's been a while since I've actually gone out. I felt like maybe this year we should celebrate by going out to dinner and doing like a date night. I don't know. I was feeling the Valentine's vibe this year. So we are going to go out for Valentine's Day. We're going to go out probably to dinner or something. And yeah, I am going to get all dressed up and stuff like that. So I wanted to do a video for you guys doing a cute, pretty simple date night Valentine's Day makeup look. I've been really into mattes lately, so I think I'm going to do a matte eye, something really simple on the eye, and then a bold lip. And I want to incorporate pinks and reds because that's super Valentine's Day-y. Last year I did a Valentine's Day tutorial with more like purples, mauves kind of situation, and this year I want to do the true pink and red vibe that is Valentine's Day. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today. All right, let's get started. I am going to start off by priming my lids with some concealer. I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution concealer and just prime the lids. Just going to take my finger and buff that out. I'm going to take this Pacifica palette, and it is the Pink Nudes Mineral Eyeshadows. And I'm going to take the top shade up there and set that concealer. I want to set a base down, a nice bright base. So I'm going to be using a couple of palettes because I really want a pink vibe for the eye. And I want it to be pretty simple. Okay, so I'm going to take this ColourPop All I See Is Magic palette, and I'm going to take this color right here. It is like a light pinky peach. So I'm going to take a fluffy brush and start working that in our crease. I'm using a really light hand with this color. So now I'm going to take this ColourPop Cosmetics Pressed Eyeshadow Palette. It is in the shade The Muse. And I'm going to take, again, a fluffy brush, dip it in there, and start to buff that pink out. Now I'm going to go into the Alamar Cosmetics palette and use the shade Flamingo. I'm going to be using another fluffy brush, but this one's a little bit more dense. And we are going to focus that a little bit more in the outer corner and then dragging it into our crease. I've been loving pink eyeshadow lately, especially this shade right here, Flamingo. Like honestly, I don't think I've ever really used pink eyeshadow up until now that this palette came out, and I've been kind of liking it. I'm going to go back into that first brush that we used to set our concealer, but this time I'm going to go into the Pacifica palette and use this third shade right here. It's kind of like a pinky nude, and I want to pack this all over my lid. Go back into that Flamingo shade and deepen out the outer corner. So now I want to do a wing liner, but I'm going to do it with eyeshadow. So I'm going to take the black shade Caballero in the Reina del Caribe palette. I'm going to take a little eyeliner brush. I'm going to start by doing it with the eyeshadow like on its own, and then I'll probably wet it and then maybe smoke it out a little more, but let's see. Let's see what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to take my setting spray and just wet my brush. Alright guys, so wings are not my strong suit, but I think I managed to kind of make them cousins or sisters, not twins, maybe. I do want to kind of blend this up a little bit. Alright, I'm just going to leave it like that. This is as good as it's going to get. Now I'm going to move on to the rest of my face. I'm going to start with primer. I'm gonna go in with the Farsali Skintune Blur Perfecting Primer Serum. I love this stuff. It's kind of like a blurring, hydrating situation. It is 100% a blurring primer, but it also feels hydrating to me. All right, for foundation, I'm gonna be trying out this Nars, what is this? The Nars All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. This is the first time I've tried this foundation. I've had it for a while. My friend gave it to me and I didn't use it because I got it during the summer and it was too light for me, but I think right now it's gonna be a match. All right, this is a very buildable foundation. At first it was medium coverage and now I do see that it's gotten to pretty much full coverage with, I don't even know how many pumps that was, but I know it sank into my sponge because it's a pretty liquidy foundation, like you really have to shake it. So far I like it. It's giving me a nice natural dew and I like it. And I think the match is pretty good. I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution concealer, the Conceal and Define. I'm going to set my under eyes with the Becca Water Powder. You know what? I think I'm just gonna set my entire face lightly with this powder. I'm gonna finish my under eyes, but I'm gonna take this palette again, the Pacifica palette. I'm gonna go into this mauve pink shade right here. Lightly run that on our lower lash line. Just want to give a little definition. So I'm going to take this small little fluffy brush and go back into that first shade that we used, that peachy pink color, and run that all on our lower lash line. Now I'm going to take this shade right here. It is called Treat Yourself. And I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. Really brighten that up. That's pretty much it for the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows really quick. I'm gonna speed through my brows because who wants to see me doing brows? All right, now the brows are done. I'm gonna take that shade that we put in our inner corner and I'm also going to highlight my brow bone with it. I'm going to take this black liner and just line my waterline a little bit, just the outer corners. Let's move on to bronzer. I'm going to bronze up my skin with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Nothing new here. I honestly have other bronzers in my collection, but this one is just the one that I feel blends the best, looks the best with my skin tone. It smells delicious and it just has like the perfect undertone. It's just honestly the best bronzer for me in my opinion. It is my go-to. Now for blush, I'm gonna go into the Too Faced Natural Face palette and I'm gonna take this shade right here. It is Pink Wink. Let's put on some mascara. I'm using my IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. We are just going to drench our lashes. Hi guys. So, major fail. I didn't know that my memory card was out of space and continued doing my makeup and didn't even notice till I just finished the video right now and I saw that there was no memory. So, the only thing that you missed was my highlighter and my lipstick and setting spray. So for highlighter, I used the LC Cosmetics highlighter. It is the Skin Perfector highlighter in the shade Rosy Blaze. Looks like this. I blended everything together and it gave me like a rose gold vibe. Super cute. And then for lips, I used the Wet n Wild Catsuit liquid lipstick in the shade Missy and Fierce. And then I topped it off with some Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that was everything that you missed. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It was so fun to do. A little tricky with the eyeliner because I'm not very good at eyeliner. And the best way I know how to do it is with eyeshadow, not with like liquid or gel, because that like trips me out. But it was still kind of tricky for me. But I just need to get better at it. I need to practice. I rarely ever do wings liner, but I think it came out pretty good and I really like the look. The all matte pink eye with a pop of red. Now you can do this look with nude or with pink, hot pink, whatever, but I really wanted to do the red and pink vibe for Valentine's Day. Super romantic, super girly, and I really like how this look turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys do recreate this for Valentine's Day. If you do, don't forget to tag me in your post and let me know that you recreated it. I love to show you guys love. I love to see when you guys recreate any look that I do. So yeah, don't forget to do that. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And turn on your post notifications to see when I post my next video. And I hope you have a beautiful Valentine's Day. Bye guys.